Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. In this video, I'm going to show you the top luxurious features of the 2022 Ford F450 Super Duty Limited. You would not think that this thing had unbelievable luxury features, but it does. Let's jump right in. Number one is going to be found right here, but it's not this, it's what's inside this. It is actually a safe. It's got a combination lock. It's factory preset to 0000. You can come in as the owner and change that up to whatever combination you want. But you go in, you turn this, and it opens, and boom, right there in between the front passenger and driver's seat is an actual safe. So you can keep your precious items right there. Number two is a toggle button that's located on the front portion of where your power windows are on the driver's side door. You can see right there. And whenever you press this left or right, watch what happens with the mirrors. And so that extends the mirrors all the way out, so that if you're pulling a trailer, you can see way back behind there to see what's going on with your trailer. Number three has to do with this little bank of buttons that's right here above the display screen, and that's right there. You can hit this camera and you can see this camera view comes up. This is not totally abnormal. A lot of vehicles have this. You know, you've got your stitched together above you bird's eye view setting right there. That's out of the back, so you can see, oh no, that's the front camera. So you have cameras all over it. But one of the cool things you have here is a little display that shows you an entire bank of buttons, all having to do with the camera system. Well, this thing has a high mount camera that's located right there inside the brake light on the back of the cab. See that? So let's see what that view looks like. To access that view, all you do is press this button in that bank of buttons, and then boom, right there. It's a cool feature that allows you to see your trailer and everything in the bed at the same time. You also have a black and white dotted line that lets you know where your tow hitch is, so that you can see the very center of your tailgate. How cool is that camera feature? And then last but not least is this button here. This is going to be located right there where all of your seat controls are, and we're looking at the driver's seat right now. But watch what happens when you press this and you're sitting in the driver's seat. So you can see the display screen, right? It just has the radio function on it. I'm gonna reach down right here and I'm gonna press that button that I just showed you. And up pops a massaging seat control screen. You can even see this display here. It shows you where it's massaging. So then, when you combine the heated seat, and by the way, Ford has the best heated seats I've ever sat in, and then you combine it with lower rolling, and then you can adjust the intensity there, upper rolling, circular cushion, and this is like a true shiatsu massage, full recovery, relax recovery. That is the most incredible thing. And this is inside a big work truck that has a dually powertrain and all that stuff. It's a big diesel engine, but you also have it for the passenger. That is absolutely incredible. What a cool feature that just is loaded with luxury. Okay, everybody, that's a look at the top luxurious features of the 2022 Ford F450 Diesel Limited Crew Cab Super Duty pickup truck. Who in 100 years would have thought this kind of stuff is going to be in a big old work pickup truck? Or you're riding down the road, next time you see one of these and you're riding down the road and you're thinking, that construction worker guy's over there getting a full relax recovery massage. Good for him. He probably deserves it because he's building America. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a big fat thumbs up, but remember the most important thing of all, have a wonderful day, everybody.